Okay, so in the previous video we saw how to create a user in the Dynamo table using an Appsync API, correct? So today we're going to be looking into querying the items in a Dynamo table and deleting an item in the Dynamo table. So let's begin. So the case would be delete user. So for that we have to create a delete. We have to create some params. The table name, CRUD. Oh, my bad. And the key is email, and the email would be the event dot arguments dot input dot user email. If you have any confusion on why I'm using this, please look at my previous video. I have explained it quite clearly. Okay, once the params are created, we need to create a command out of the params. So then that would be a const command is equal to new DDB dot delete command of the params, correct? And there seems to be some error. Unterminated string constant. Okay, that should do it. Now we have to await ddb doc-client dot send, and you send the command, and then you break out of the switch case, so then it ends right there. Perhaps there is a spelling mistake. That should do it. So now when we pass in, okay, now let's see what item we have in the table. We have this item, so let's copy this. Let's try deleting that item. Let's go to mutation, create a mutation, delete user email. If you want to know how I created this schema, please rewatch the previous video. It's quite clearly explained. Okay, so next is my mutation. Para is not defined. There seems to be a spelling mistake. 1 second. Oh yeah, it did not get saved correctly, so I'm just gonna redeploy it. Okay, now let's run it again. Yeah, so there's no return statement, that's why it's coming null. So now if you look into the Dynamo table, this item should disappear. Let's refresh. There you go, we have successfully deleted it. Now let's just create it again. Okay, let's just create another user now to test get user command. So we have to query an item. Okay, first name is first name. Last name would be last name. The email ID, let's give it the dummy at gmail.com. That should work. Let's create a user. Create user is done. Now if we head on over to the Dynamo table, you can see it's created. Now let's create a query command. Let's say you want to get information about an item in your table. So what would you do? Get user. Very similar. Let params is equal to table name, demo CRUD YouTube, and key condition expression. So we want to get for the column email, we want to get the email attribute. We want to get the value which matches the email which we have passed in from the API call. So this would be expression attribute names hash email and this email is nothing but the name of the column in the DynamoDB table. Okay, now we have created the param successfully. So we're basically searching for in the email column an item which matches the value which is passed in the event arguments input dot user email. So now we have to create a command. Const command is equal to ddb dot query command, and this will not only get one item but all the items that command has already been declared. Oh my, I'm so sorry. Okay, so query command basically returns all the items from the Dynamo table which match the input values, which match the key condition expression. So that would be the ideal command. Now we have to return the result of the query operation. So wait, we have not done the query operation yet, right? So const yeah, result is await uh, ddb dot client dot send the command, and after it's done we're gonna return the result. This result would be displayed in the front end, and it's new command, not command. This should work, hopefully. Deploy. Okay, let's now go into Appsync and run query command. It was dummy@gmail.com. So let's see. Oh, I'm so sorry. Query, not mutation. Cannot access params before initialization. Uh, oh no. Yeah, this should do it. Let's just wait for it to deploy. Yeah, it's done. Okay, should work now, and it has worked successfully. So in the items, you can see that last name, email, first name. So basically, we just got the item from the Dynamo table, and we returned it in the API result. Anyways, that's the video for today. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to update an item's attributes, add new attributes to an item, or change the value of a certain key or an attribute. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.